I just thought I'd do a quick video just to show you where it's up to. Got the supports for the gantry bearings on. All coming along pretty good. I did notice one little mistake where these bolts here, they stick out too far and can't actually fit the bed on with them there. So I've got to take those plates off, and I've got some countersunk ones to put in there so that they fit properly. So I've just got to fit the bearings on here. I've already got the other bits ready to bolt on. I've just got to pull them back apart and give them a grease, but almost there.